Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I have a really special announcement and a really special training where I teach you how I did $48,987 completely free and autopilot. Okay, which I was using a company or a tool. It's called Builderall, and it's a viable tool that is built it that is one suite that has all the tools you need. It has its own autoresponder, it has its own sales funnel, custom websites, and things that it's already built it for small businesses and also for marketers. The reason why I've been promoting this for a while, it's because it's actually a really nice tool, and it has all the things you need and all the things you need for your business. And Builderall, it's gonna stay for long, and they have a really nice affiliate system that no one that in my life, like I've been doing this for a while now, no one has an affiliate system that Builderall has. They have a tier 1, tier 2, they have an affiliate system. They have everything you need, and they have their tools for you to make this kind of money. I'm gonna try to cover all the things you need in order to make. I'm not gonna say that you can be able to make this, but I'm gonna explain how I did it and how you can do the same. Alright, first thing, what you have to do, if you don't already have a Builderall account, you should sign up using the link under the description. If you don't want to use the software, but you need to sign up as an affiliate so that you can get all my my help, because I'll be sending you emails out in order to help you out how to make more money with Builderall, and I'll give you all the training you need to in order to have this kind of money. Still, I'm not saying that you'll be able to make the same, but I'm just gonna tell you that you'll be able, if you I will give you the training so that you can reach that level of success. Okay, so Builderall has a tool, they have software, they have an autoresponder, they have a landing page builder, they have a sales funnel, they have an application app builder, so they have everything. So I'm gonna tell you how I did it, and so you can do the same. Okay, first thing what you gotta do is come to Facebook, and you also need to come to Google. Okay, and assuming that you have assuming that you are in groups that are in the real estate, that's what I've been targeting. My target was real estate, and also website builders, people who need them to someone to build their website. So what you have to do is you need to ask them, I'm gonna build a website for you guys completely for free, or if it's too complicated, I'm gonna build it for as minimum as $20. And then what you gotta do is because Builder has templates that available in the system from each niche you want. They have templates for real estate, they have templates for salon, they have templates for services like web designing and things like that. All the service you need and all the niche you need, they have it. So you can just ask them, and if you got a lead from them, all you gotta do is show them a demo, which if you guys need an entire tutorial about that, make sure to make a comment and I'll be making it in another video. But for now, all you gotta do is ask them, these people, if they want something that you can make for them, and then you show them the templates, and then they have to sign up under yours, and you tell them, you be transparent with them that this tool, it costs you $25 a month. This is way cheaper than ClickFunnels, and also ClickFunnels, they don't have that much of ClickFunnels is not built for website, it's only built for sales funnels. But Builder has really an entire tool for also website builder. Okay, now it's gonna take you a couple of while in order to get some clients, but all the clients add up. Okay, and then then what you got when you have about 5 to 7 customers that are active leads, like active leads, then all you gotta do is withdraw, like I did, withdraw some of the funds from Builderall and then start an PPC, which is Google, and then show and then bid on the keywords, like for example Builderall keywords, and like that. So that's how you can that's how you make money from Builderall for free. You start for free by going to Facebook groups and asking people to build their website for them, and then once you have some money, then you gotta go to Facebook ads or maybe Google ads, and then you run traffic to that, because using paid advertisement, it's way easier and it's way faster. But if you are going to groups, it's gonna take you a while, and then maybe people, they won't trust you. They will be so doubtful that how is this person gonna do this for free, and then sometimes you sign up, they sign up under you, and then they'll just stab you in the back, and then they will never turn into a customer, like they will never turn into a lead. All right, so this is a really good thing. And another way that I've been doing, which is in Freelancer, I have account in Freelancer as a freelancer, and then I add the keywords freelancer into my interest, and then I target people that want them to build a sales funnel or something like that. And then whenever they come and then they want to build, like for example ClickFunnels, then you need to persuade them, you need to tell them that ClickFunnels is something like this and that, which I don't suggest you guys to do, but that's what I was doing. And then you tell them something like, if they want them to build on Katra, you tell them why you want to go for Katra, ask them questions, and then tell them, how about if you come to Builderall and I'll build this thing for you for cheaper price, because in Freelancer they expecting them to pay. So instead of, for example, this person, he said create a funnel in Getresponse, and I did it for $15, okay, and then once he wanted to get Getresponse, and I convinced him that Builderall is the way to go, and then he is already using Builderall, and he said he likes it, and it has been for about a month now. And then that's how you can do this. That's another thing. And the other thing is by going to Quora, because Quora has a really nice question and answer. You can bid on questions, like for example Builderall, and then answer questions, and then leave your Builderall affiliate link in there. That's it. That's how you can maximize. That's how you can do your get so much commission. And by the way, Builderall, they have a really convert. They really convert. Like if you start now and maybe you're doing you follow my instructions and you start doing, I think you might get some sales by the end of this week. That's how easy Builderall is. That's how converted Builderall is. Another thing, if you guys want my mentorship, step by step, I'm gonna send you emails on, and you can also add me on Facebook. All you gotta do is leave your email in the description. Also, say I want to join in the comment, and then I will be able to send you. But first, you gotta sign up using the link. You don't have to be a member. All you gotta be is an affiliate with Builderall using my link, and then I'm gonna help you personally how to maximize Builderall and build your entire affiliate journey with you. That's it for this video. I hope you like this video. I hope you find it very valuable, and I'll see you guys in the next video.